You're not going to believe this. Okay, so we're asking ChatGPT questions. We're getting back text responses. I use Google Text to Speech to turn that text response to an MP3 file, turn that MP3 file into a WAV file, and now load it into NVIDIA's Omniverse Audio2Face. Now check this out. Here's our Audio2Face with the WAV file.
Cisco iOS Z version 17.3.1a is a software version for Cisco networking devices that was released in August 2021. It includes several new features and improvements related to security, automation, and usability. Some of the key features of this version include enhanced support for encrypted traffic analysis and threat detection.
So how cool is
improved
that? How cool is that? And I'm just getting started. We're going to add faces, animations, whatever we want. Now, I don't know if I can do this automatically to get the MP3 file into this with Python somehow. I don't know. But we can generate a face that speaks our ChatGPT generated